So recently I visited a bookstore with my friends, and I was really surprised how many language resources I found. Because maybe a week ago I discussed in Discord on Polyglot Progress server uh, how hard sometimes to find resource in particular language, because almost everything is just for English. But this time I found so many interesting books. Of course, I cannot buy all of them, and I don't need all of these books. But it was very interesting just look through the shelves and read the titles. Also, I really love this store because they started to sell not only resources for language learning, but actually books in different languages. There were not a lot of them, maybe two or three shelves, but it's really cool. I already bought one book there, and a few days ago I bought another one. Even if my level of French is not good enough to sometimes to even understand what the book is about, this one costs around €1, and I decided just why not. I hope this summer I could put more effort in my French learning, and I could finally read this book and two other books I already had in French. This is how my books that I'm currently reading looks like. Just I translate and mark a lot of words here. Also, we found some very cool old second-hand books. One of them was like Chinese dictionary or something like that, which is very beautiful. We also found few books for Finnish or Czech, Turkish, etc. I was really surprised. I thought in our bookstores there are only English, few French and German books. Okay, maybe Spanish, Italian, Polish. So thanks for taking this little journey with me. I hope you enjoy watching these language resources and books. So goodbye.